LinkValue is a team of highly experienced IT experts that comes from different countries that research and develop the ecosystem named LinkValue. Using a blockchain platform core and combining with artificial intelligence, AI, big data and Internet of Things, IoT, they develop a revolutionary product with high applicability in real life. LinkValue is a 4.0 industry-based project with an ecosystem that was comprising the latest technologies. LinkValue connects the community with high-tech product that help the community reach the advanced technological benefits. Artificial intelligence, game online, robot trader, e-commerce, cryptocurrency exchange, LinkValue coin, social network. The LinkValue social network application is currently available on iOS and Android. LinkValue social network is built on blockchain technology with advanced features and high-end security for individual and groups. It also provides users access to the LinkValue ecosystem. Internal exchange. It supports 100% payment with LVC, and at the same time, it helps individual and business partners to easily become a LinkValue shareholders through investment in LVC. Decentralized exchange. It helps the community to transfer funds between LVC and other cryptocurrencies. It is a gateway that will create a stability and help LVC increase value over time. Cryptocurrency exchanges can handle up to millions of transactions per second. According to the expectation and forecast, e-commerce will revolutionize the industry and will be a drastic economic growth worldwide. E-commerce will expand globally with the support of high-end technologies, from digitization and traditional supply chains that are rapidly becoming a smart supply chains. LinkValue e-commerce is linked closely to the applications in LinkValue ecosystem, providing a flexible and versatile electronic payment solution. Customers can also buy and sell services with LVC. LinkValue online game portal will bring the most popular online games in the market today. Players can experience the most exciting and unique way of playing games. The game portal has a built-in online casino that will make players love to bet and feels like they're playing at a Las Vegas casino. To meet the needs of the players and provide the best gaming experience, players who own an LVC will also have an opportunity to accumulate and increase the number of coins by winning at the online casino.